And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a Tozo HT2 Adaptive Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphone Set. Now, the question is, are they any good? Well, let's find out together. So, let's have a look at the box. A few different colours. I've got the black one. Not a lot on the box. So, let's open it. I've got my trusty knife here. And where we go? Up here maybe. Let's see what we've got. How does that bit slides out? It looks like. And got a bit of cardboardy thing here. Looks like paperwork inside. Got instructions. We'll check them out later. And this is the headphones themselves. We'll take out a little box of goodies. We'll check them out in a few minutes. And let's get the headphone sets out themselves. Got to admit they were quite nicely packaged. Nothing underneath. No, that's it. So let's straighten everything out and see what we've got. So let's have a little look in this box and we'll see what we've got in here. Got two cables, the USB type A to USB-C, and we've got an audio jack, so we'll be putting this to the test. The headphone earpieces are marked with an L and an R, so you know which ear they fit on. You've got a nice soft section on the top here. They're firm on the side, and you've got nice foam around the ears themselves. They rotate, as you can see, and of course they are expandable. They lay nice and flat for storage. One thing I was surprised, you open up the top here and you've got a series of measurements. So you can actually accurately measure how wide you've got the headphone set open. So that's rather nice. I'm putting it on charge. See that little tiny dot there? When I put the power on, it turns to red. A bit hard to see maybe if I get it on an angle like that. So it's a little tiny LED in there showing you that the device is on charge. We'll come back once it's fully charged and see if it changes colour. And the answer is the red LED light goes out once the battery is fully charged. Now the next thing we need to do is pair the headphone set to my mobile phone. Now there's an app you can get on both Android and Apple devices, and it's the Tozo Technology one. It looks like this, so you just simply type in Tozo into the Play Store for me and we will install it. So we'll come back once this is done. So now I've got it installed on my phone. Let's open it up and got a bit of reading here. I'll have a quick read of it. Yep, happy with that. Okay, log in. Okay. So I'm going to set up an account. It looks like we can skip it, but I do want an account set up, so we'll come back once I've done so. I've got the next stage done. I've got the registration complete. So we've got to hold down this button for 3 seconds. So it turns on. We've got the little light there flashing, so it goes from red to white. Now it's telling me here, proceed to authorize, grant nearby, yep, that's the thing I have to do. Okay. Please make sure, yep. Proceed and authorize. Okay, so what have I got to do now? So I'm guessing I have to set up Bluetooth, and we will do a scan. As you can, oh, there it is, Tozo HT2 pairing. Pair and done. So, looking good. Okay. Allow notifications. Yep. Add device. There it is. Okay, so this is the bits and pieces that we've got on the app itself. So I'll be checking them out and seeing how they work. Let's have a look at the Tozo app itself. And I'm connecting, and I've got 95% battery life on the headphone set itself. And this is the first page. We've got noise cancellation, transparency mode, reduce wind noise, leisure mode, normal mode, and adaptive mode. We've got down the bottom here, we've got products. So that looks like company products. There's quite a few of them to choose from. Go to community. What's this community? Okay, so they've got a community of people, which is interesting. We've got an explore and all sorts of things here. There's different settings. Okay. Yeah, quite a few things to look at. And we're down the bottom, we've got my Tozo, which is my personal settings. We'll go back to home. There's an equalizer, and let's have a look. Okay, so we'll go to more sound effects. Yeah. Oh, okay. We can modify whatever we like there, which is rather nice. Well, we've got a bass. Oh, we've got presets. There's quite a few presets, as you can see. What equalizer zone is. Okay. Oh, recommended equalizer settings. And again, there's heaps and heaps. My equalizer, I've got nothing, and nothing has been created by me. So it's quite comprehensive. I wasn't expecting the app to be, well, as much in it as what this one is. So there's a lot to play with, and obviously a lot to look forward to. I'll give you my opinion of the sound shortly. Now I'm about to pair the Tozo HT2 headphones to my smartphone. Just hold the button down for 3 seconds. And we should be connecting in a second or two, and there we go. So we'll swipe the screen over, and I've got the equalizer, which is what I want to set up. So we'll be using this. Now I've got a little tiny microphone, which I'll be popping in the left hand side. To get the music to play, we should be able to just touch the little power button. And there we go. I'll play with the, I'll just have a bit of a tinker with this. I don't know what I'm doing. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. Take away treble. As you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away. So it's working nice now. You touch the button for a couple of seconds, which is your music up and music down, the sound. It changes the song. To go back to the prior one, you do the minus one for a couple of seconds. So it skips up or down through your songs. By gently touching it, you can see I'm actually altering the volume. Now we'll turn off the music for a second. And we're going to do the noise cancellation, which is on the other side.
Adaptive. ANC off. Pass-through. ANC on.
So that's the range of bits and pieces that the control does on your headphone set. I know the speaker doesn't do justice for this little tiny microphone. The quality listening to these headphones are amazing, they really are. To power on the headphone set, you hold the power button down for 3 seconds, it turns on. To turn the headphone set off, hold the power button down again for 3 seconds. To activate the voice assist, tap the power button 3 times. Now on the bottom here you've got the volume rocker switch that has multiple functions. If you tap the plus button once, it will increase the volume. If you hold the plus key down for a few seconds, it will go to the next song. And if you go to the volume minus key, you tap it once, it will turn the volume down, and if you hold the minus key down for a few seconds, it will jump to the previous song. Now you click the power button once to play music, or you can click it again and it will pause the music. If you have an incoming phone call, you just simply press the power button once and it will accept the call. To hang up on a phone call that you've already accepted, tap it again once and it stops. If you have an incoming call that you wish to ignore, you hold the power key down for 2 seconds and it will automatically reject the call. Now, I've used the phones for quite a few days now. I've been quite happy with it. The phone call function on it works absolutely perfect. Don't have any problems at all. Would I recommend the set? Yeah, you betcha. It's really good quality. It's comfortable to wear. The padding is really good. I don't have any problems at all with it, and I don't think you will have either if you decide to get them. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment. I'd appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate that even more. And with a bit of luck, I might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.